Hello Miss Universe Botswana team. My name is Chantal Joni. I'm 30 years old and I proudly come from the beautiful village of Nswazi. I currently serve in a banking and development sector where I'm deeply passionate about empowering women to walk in confidence and purpose and excellence. Representing Botswana at Miss Universe would be an honor beyond measure. For me, it's more than just wearing a crown. It's carrying the story of a nation defined by grace, humility, and quiet strength. I want to represent the modern Botswana woman, one who's grounded in faith, driven by purpose, and unafraid to lead with compassion. To me, being Miss Universe Botswana means being a voice of light and hope, a woman who mirrors the heart of our nation to the world. It's about using influence not for applause, but for impact, to inspire young girls to dream boldly, to uphold dignity, and to remind them that true beauty flows from character and purpose. I believe that when a woman knows who she is in God, she becomes unstoppable. And that is the message I want to carry as Miss Universe Botswana. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm Chantal Joni, and I'm ready to represent Botswana with grace, purpose, and pride.